Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through fixing the Sling TV Error Code 10100 step by step. If you've been experiencing issues with this error, don't worry. We've got you covered with a clear and simple process to help you resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into any troubleshooting steps, ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test on your device. If your internet speed is slow, consider restarting your router or checking with your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart the Sling TV app. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can solve the problem. Exit the Sling TV app completely, then reopen it to see if the error persists. Step 3. Clear app cache for Android users. If you're using an Android device, you might need to clear the app cache. Go to your device settings, find the Sling TV app under Apps, then select Storage. Here you'll see the option to clear the cache. After clearing it, try to open the app again. Step 4. Update the Sling TV app. Ensure that your Sling TV app is updated to the latest version. Go to your device's app store and check for updates. Installing the latest version can resolve many bugs and issues. Step 5. Reboot your device. If the app is updated and you're still facing the error, try rebooting your streaming device. Turn it off, wait a minute, and then turn it back on. This simple action can often fix various issues. Step 6. Check for system updates. Ensure that your device's operating system is up to date. Go into your device settings and check for any available software updates. Keeping your system updated can improve performance and resolve compatibility issues with apps like Sling TV. Step 7. Reinstall the Sling TV app. If none of the previous steps worked, you may need to uninstall and then reinstall the Sling TV app. This will give you a fresh start and may eliminate the error code. Simply uninstall the app, download it again from your app store, and log back in. Step 8. Contact Sling TV support. If you are still experiencing the error code 10100 after trying all the steps mentioned, it may be time to reach out to Sling TV support. They can provide more specific troubleshooting tailored to your situation. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on fixing the Sling TV Error Code 10100. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.